What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a little debacle going on and I got to fix the issue, and that is my fuel cell not fitting where I thought it would fit. Let me take you in a little closer shot and just show you. All right, well, this is the gas tank I was talking about. This gas tank is actually what I put in this truck originally when it had the 318 in it. But as far as everybody knows that I know of, but if you don't, I put a 5.9 12-valve Cummins in the chassis. So I'm gonna have to clean this old Rec 90. So now I gotta clean it out so I can put diesel in it, put new filters in it. The issue I have going on here is I got my AccuAir Endo tank and it's hidden the gas tank right now. And this is a 20-gallon tank. I think it's Evil Energy website that I got this from. It's been good, no leaks, no nothing. Obviously gonna have to repaint it because all the paint's coming off of it. But I need to figure out how to mount the tank in. I might move this out of the way, mount the tank in, and then try to refigure out how to mount this back into place. So without further ado, let's unbolt this endo tank and try to get this tank kind of positioned where it needs to go. All right, so I got the gas tank pretty much propped where it needs to be, and that's with the bottom of the tank level with the bottom of the frame rail. Problem is I have barely any room to put the air tank up here, so I got to figure out what I am going to do there. So kind of fast forward in time, I ended up just taking the edge of it off to clear the tank. I will have to re-drill and re-tap this hole because it used to be bolted to here. So I'll just weld this back up, grind it down, and make it smooth and blend into the frame so it doesn't look like it's been there. Re-drill, re-tap that, and bolt it strong to get this tank so it doesn't just flop over. Not sure if you could see that. You could see the tabs for the gas tank. That's gonna get bolted flush to the frame. So that'd be good there. And then on the front side, I might use some angled iron and I'll plasma cut brackets so that you could just bolt the angle iron straight to the frame instead of welding it to the frame, so that you can service the gas tank if you need to. So I just want to make this serviceable as possible, while not having to weld the whole thing in. So that's probably what I'll do. I got some angle iron right here. It's probably too thick, but honestly, I'd rather be thicker than thinner and to be real sturdy with that. But yeah, it's going good so far. And then I obviously ordered some aluminum sheet that's the same thickness as the tank to basically fill this hole up and just cap it. I'll be able to weld that, and it should look just as good. I'm gonna be welding this 3/4 inch steel bar to this 2x2 angle iron. And these are actually gonna be my spacers. So the tank will actually get bolted to this surface instead of this because of the 2 ports that come out of the tank was gonna hit this. So I added these spacers to give me the space and the room for my lines to come out of the tank. And I'll show you when I get this installed back onto the truck. But first, we gotta weld these bars to this angle iron.
I just hope that someone stays.
So now the challenge is drilling this hole out on this spacer to accept a 3/8 16 bolt.